The Lonely Squid by Des O'Gorman. This is Squiddy. He's a squid. He lives in the deep blue ocean. Squiddy is a happy squid, but sometimes he can be a bit lonely. He doesn't meet many other sea creatures because where he lives is so very deep and so very dark. One day, Squiddy is swimming along happily. Swim, 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 swim. When he sees two squids up ahead, Squiddy waves shyly. Wave, wave, wave. Oh no, they don't wave back. Oh well, thinks Squiddy, that's a pity. It is so very deep and so very dark. Maybe they don't see me. I'll just keep on swimming. And he does. Gasp! What's this? 4 scary sharks having their morning meeting. They are swimming silently. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Swish, swish, swish. Squiddy is scared but brave, determined to keep moving forward. I hope they don't see me, he thinks. They aren't noticing, Squiddy. Keep going. I'm so tired. The kids went to bed so late last night. He makes it past the sharks. Well done, Squiddy. Why could I see the sharks, but they didn't see me? He wonders. This is strange. Squiddy is confused and not watching where he's going. Squiddy, watch out! Bump! Oh, poor Squiddy, he has just bumped into a huge blue whale. Sorry, Big Blue, says Squiddy. Did I hurt you? Ha ha ha, I'm okay, little guy. Though I didn't even see you coming, replies Big Blue. Squiddy is now even more puzzled. He says. This is a very strange day indeed. Strange, you say? You should go see old Mrs. T. She is very wise, says Big Blue. Great idea, replies Squiddy. He sets off towards Two Tree Turtle Island to ask for help. Swim, 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 swim. Squiddy arrives at sunset, short of breath and waving to Mrs. T. Hello, young Squiddy. This looks important, says Mrs. T, crawling into the water. Can I help? Yes, please, exclaimed Squiddy. I have a tricky problem. I live in a deep blue ocean, you see. It is so very deep and so very dark. Of the sea creatures I saw today, none of them saw me. I feel lonely. Says Mrs. T. Can you tell me what happened each time? Squiddy tries to remember. I wasn't my usual self. I was either shy or scared or worried. Crikey, gasps Mrs. T. Look, it's your camouflage. Your body must be hiding in the deep blue water when you fell down. Oh my goodness, laughs Squiddy. I didn't realize. I'll try to smile and say hello next time. Swim, 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 swim. The next morning, Squiddy sees some squids playing up ahead. Good luck, Squiddy. Hello, everyone. I'm Squiddy. What are your names? Hi, I'm Squidette. Ciao, ci chiamiamo Squidenzo e Squidenza. Hola, I'm Squidderbury. Hi, I'm Squid Ninja. Jolly nice to meet you. I'm Jeff. Would you like to play with us? asks Squidette. Yes, I'd love to, replies Squiddy. Play, play, play. Fun, fun, fun. Is that a camouflaged squid up ahead? They might be lonely. Let's go say hello. Good idea, let's go. Squiddy becomes good friends with the other squids and is never lonely again. They play and swim every day, and they never see a shark again. The making of the lonely squid, as told by the actors. I had to put on 50 tons to play this role of Big Blue. I ate so much, but it was worth it. I wore blue paint for 1 year to practice playing Squiddy. I could have played the part of Squiddy. I'm more than just a muscle guy. We're twins and love being in stories together. Someone was making stinky farts on set. I think it was Big Blue.